should not miss today's video if you want to learn self-defense. In this video, we'll teach you if someone grab your neck and pinch with the wall, then how to defend yourself. If the person push you in this way and grab your neck like this, then what should you do here? In this technique, we'll tell you if someone has pressed your neck in a way that could be a life-threatening, then you have to apply this technique. And the person is dangerous for you, then you will use the martial art attacks. First, you will do uppercut on his chin like this way. Then, step number 2, you will do the 3 or 2 punches on his stomach and the kick on his stomach. You will do these 3 attacks in fast motion. Guys, now we'll show you this technique in fast motion, how it works or not. Guys, must remember one thing. If you want to learn a fight or martial arts attacks or self-defense, then you will watch the video very carefully and follow the instruction, follow the step, follow the attacks, and do the practice each step daily 30 to 40 times in a week. Then you can learn proper technique. So guys, if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel, share our video, and press the bell icon.